locked out of using your Chime virtual card because you forgot your PIN. Don't worry, I'm going to walk you through resetting it in just a few easy steps. First, open the Chime app on your smartphone. Make sure you're logged in. Next, tap on the settings icon. It usually looks like a gear or your profile picture. This will bring you to your account settings. Scroll down until you see debit card or card management. Tap on this option. Now you should see your virtual card information. Look for the option that says Set PIN or Change PIN. It might be under a section called Security. Tap on Set PIN or Change PIN. The app will then guide you through the process of creating a new PIN. Enter your new 4-digit PIN. Make sure it's something you can easily remember, but not too obvious. The app will ask you to confirm your new PIN by entering it again. This double checks that you've entered it correctly. Once you've re-entered it, tap Confirm or Submit. You should see a confirmation message letting you know your PIN has been successfully changed. And that's it. You can now use your new PIN for your Chime virtual card.